Welcome back, students. We are learning circles chapter. In previous classes have discussed about tangent properties and their proofs as well. There are some more theorems based on tangents, but still first right now we are learning the basics, fundamentals about the chords, tangents, etc. So today's topic is about chord. Okay. In brief, I have discussed about what is a chord in our first video, but let me explain in detail here. Chord is a line, straight line joining 2 points on the circumference of a circle. So this is, say for instance, this is my line AB or a line segment AB, okay, and this is joining the circumference of the circle at 2 points. Yes, and it's not passing through the center, so you have to remember that. And the next thing what we are going to do is we have to draw a dotted line from the center to the line or the chord AB. Okay, here the chord is AB and we are trying to drop a perpendicular from that. Okay, so let's see. You just have to drop a perpendicular from there. Okay, and then right now you can see that. Let me call this as OP. Okay, OP is my perpendicular from center to the chord, only to the chord. This is making 90 degree on both sides. Yes or no? Yes, each side it is 90 degree only anyways. Okay, now one more thing you have to remember, that if I join this line A and O, O and B, then I form two triangles. Why do I have to analyze this chord AB? Now the property says the perpendicular line from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. Perpendicular line. Okay, let's analyze this. Perpendicular line from center to chord bisects the chord. The word bisect means to make it into two halves. That's the meaning of the word bisect. Okay, so the property says that whenever you draw a perpendicular from the center to the chord, okay, perpendicular line, then it will bisect the chord into two equal halves. So which means AP is equals to PB. This is what he is telling under the property of chords. Okay, but how is that true? Or we have to prove it. Let's see the proof. Okay. Okay, let me start with writing proof. Okay, now what we have to do here is we have to join a dotted line from O to A and O to B. Now you can see there are two congruent triangles. Soon we will prove it is congruent. But triangle OAP and triangle OBP. In both the triangles, you can observe that OA and OB are the radius. OA equals to OB equals to radius. Correct? And OP is equals to OP, common side, right? And then angle OPA is equals to angle OPB is equals to 90 degree. Okay, this is already given. So we can say very clearly that triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP by which property? Same, RHS criterion or property, and then therefore by CP/CTC, corresponding parts of congruent triangle, I can clearly state that AP is equals to BP. We are in need of only side, so we are only talking about the side. Okay, so AP will be equals to PB. That's the proof. The property says perpendicular line from the center to the chord bisects the chord. Yes, it bisects the chord because AP is equals to PB. Clearly, it's the proof. Okay, thank you so much.